Hey everybody, thanks for joining us for music today. Sorry for the delay on this last video. I had a little, didn't feel very well last night, so didn't manage to get our last video made. But we both just wanted to say thank you so much for joining us for music the last few weeks. It has been amazingly fun to get your videos and pictures and hear what songs you liked the best. Did you have a fun time making music? Yeah, do you want to say goodbye to everybody? Say have a great summer? No. Goodbyes are hard sometimes, right? Make us feel maybe a little bit sad, or maybe you're feeling a little bit excited that summer's almost here. However you're feeling, that's okay. And you're allowed to feel differently tomorrow than you do today.
Say goodbye. We're gonna do Aloha.
Yeah, we're gonna do Aloha. Ready to help me? Aloha, aloha, that's how we say goodbye. Aloha, aloha, that's how we say goodbye. Goodbye to you, my friends, I'll sure miss you. I hope you had fun today and have a good summer too. Aloha, aloha, that's how we say goodbye. Aloha, aloha, that's how we say goodbye. Ta-da! Excellent singing! So, this week you do not have to send me an email about your favorite song unless you want to. And then next week there will not be any new videos, but my YouTube channel will still be up. So feel free to go back and watch as many videos as you want. I'm also going to leave them up over the summer, so if you're ever finding yourself a little bored and you'd like to go back to the beginning, you can. Thank you again. I loved making music with you.
Here's another one.
And I hope you have a wonderful summer. You want to say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Say see you later.
See you later.